everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moi, and today we're going to be unboxing the Air Max TL 2.5 in the black metallic silver colorway. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's the box and let's get straight to it. Why waste time, right? So Alright, so upon opening the box with our classic orange Nike box, so nothing special about the box. And alright, so on the top of the box, of course, this is what showed inside the cardboard box. This is the back, the sides, and then this is the front, and we have our sizing and our name, of course, of the shoe. And so it says Air Max TL 2.5 and the colorway is black/black, and then noir, if I'm pronouncing that right. And so size 9. Hopefully they fit me, because honestly I don't know. My usual size is 9, but I don't know if it'll fit tight or loose, right? So standard paper, nothing special. And let's see. All right, so here's the shoe. Honestly, it looks really cool. Really like the colorway, the accents. And on the bottom we have our Max Air, as it says on the shoe. It says Max Air. And little detail on the tongue, it says 2006. You won't be able to see it here, but I will be doing the close-up shots and you guys will see all those details. And on the sole it says Max TL 2.5. And so here is the sole. This is the left shoe, so this is the outer side of the left shoe. This is the top view of the shoe, and then front, then the inner side. Hopefully you guys can see that good. I didn't do all the lighting this time. And then the back. The back says Max Air as well. And it has leather accents, so the swoosh logo on both sides is leather, and also all along the side here is leather, and then in between these leather sections it's polyester, like the top, like the toe box. And yeah, it's a nice and simple shoe. I really like it, actually. And then the insole says as well Max TL 2.5 performance, and it says comfort. I'll try to get a view of that for the close-up, but it's really hard to see. So alright, let me take out the other one. And you don't get an extra set of laces. So here's the pair together. And so, all right, let's get to the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. wraps up the video for these Nike Air Max TL 2.5, and hopefully soon I'll get another pair, but it might be a while again. But thank you for watching. Hope you're having a good day or night, and then I'll catch you in the next one.